Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Here are all the possibilities, if Mana's bulls uphold this level. Since its ath on 25 November, Decentraland, Mana, has been on a steady downtrend, while the bulls kept defending the $2.3 range. Now, a compelling close above the $2.3 base is needed to confirm the strength of its recent falling wedge, white. Should the selling spree continue, Mana would pick itself up from the $2. One mark support, white, dashed. At press time, Mana traded at $2.3689, down by 4.7% in the last 24 hours. Mana daily chart after, alas, owing to present market conditions, their plans do not seem to be working. For its part, however, Decentraland does not seem to want to back down. Its latest effort to push metaverse to the mainstream audience may just be proof of the same. Decentraland X Bulova. According to an announcement 2 days ago, Decentraland has now introduced a new digital watch to the world. Launched by Bulova in partnership with Decave, the watch has been described as wearable in the metaverse, with more details intended to be shared by 10 March. Bulova, as a 147-year-old brand, has a strong presence in the market. And, with the company making a move into the virtual world, Decentraland would have the strength to surge to $3.75. The sandbox hangs by a thread. The sandbox is holding above a critical area of support that bulls must defend to avoid further losses. SAND has lost 0.84 points in market value over the past week. The sudden correction pushed the metaverse token to the x-axis of a descending triangle it has been contained in since mid-November 2021. The sandbox time, Mana traded at $2.3835, down by 2.58% in the last 24 hours. After downsliding from its ath and poking its multi-month low in late January, the $3.3 level shunned all bullish recovery attempts. Despite this, the bulls have ensured higher troughs, but failed to uphold the 11-week-long trendline support, now resistance, white, dashed. Over the last 5 days, Mana descended in a falling wedge, white, on its 4 chart. The price is now approaching a squeeze phase after a steep 2-day plunge. Also, the recent bearish engulfing candlestick created a near-term supply zone for the alt in the $2.4 zone. Limited, Neolic, a leading decentralized finance, DeFi, infrastructure and technology company, is not being represented as such on the public exchanges. Trading at less than half of its go-public price and near cash value of its balance sheet, the company, which listed on December 22, 2021, has been caught in the risk asset meat grinder in Q1 2022. But does an ill-timed IPO, an unavoidable matter of timing, and morbid market conditions provide an opportunity for investors at current prices? Quite possibly, yes. A quick background on Liquid Meta Holdings. The company is a technology developer in the institutional DeFi space, creating a proprietary system named MetaBridge. While the development of MetaBridge is in its nascent build-out phase, Liquid Meta has active liquidity mining operations which earns tokens, yields, for its tip jar, including Ethereum, allowing users to send out those tips. Ethereum's inclusion in Twitter's Pit Jar feature is in line with Twitter's initiative to take payments options to a more inclusive stage. With the addition of ETH as a payment option, smartphone users will be able to add Ethereum addresses to their list of options. Along with ETH, Twitter will also support payment services such as Payton, Paga, and Barter. Altcoins. Cardano achieves milestone after being added to Google's currency converter. In a significant achievement for Cardano, ADA has been added to Google's currency conversion rate calculator. The integration is critical as it recognizes ADA as a major cryptocurrency, and is also an indication that the cryptocurrency's popularity on Google is significant, with a significant number of users trying to calculate the value of ADA regularly. The integration will help users seamlessly calculate ADA's value in terms of fiat currencies. Technology. Ransomware payments on the rise. Reports. Chainalysis. Chainalysis report has laid bare the increasing levels of ransomware scams. The report states that ransomware scams have siphoned off nearly $1.3 billion worth of cryptocurrency over the past couple of years. The report states that in 2020 alone, ransomware attacks were responsible for almost $692 million worth of crypto being stolen, while 2021 has seen a further $602 million stolen, with the amount set to increase as more information becomes available. The statistics indicate a clear increase in ransomware scams and attacks. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.